What's up guys, Simon Jordan here, co-founder of Life CEOs, and today we're talking about high-paying affiliate programs. Okay, why you should join them, where you can find them, and which ones pay up to $12,000 per sale. So when I first started out online, trying to make money as an affiliate, I failed miserably, okay? I really sucked. I was building affiliate websites and I was trying to sell products off Amazon, eBay and ClickBank. Now sure, I made a couple of $20 sales here and there, but it was way too much work for that kind of money. Now, I wanted to quit my 9-to-5 and I wanted to work full time online, and realistically I was never ever going to do it making sales like that, like $20 sales. So people fail at affiliate marketing for a variety of different reasons, okay? From entitlement issues to information overload, getting that paralysis from just picking terrible products to affiliate with, or just a lack of consistency and a lack of focus. But for me, I was failing because I was promoting cheap products, okay? Products that I had to make hundreds and hundreds of sales of in order to make a decent living online. And it just wasn't sustainable. What I started to do was really study all of the super affiliates in the business. Okay, we all know who they are, so I'd go online, I'd figure out who they were, and the one thing that was clear with all of them is that they weren't promoting products off Amazon or ClickBank. So what they were all doing was promoting high ticket, high value digital products and following the exact same affiliate marketing strategy in order to make sales. So all I had to do was reverse engineer what they were doing and copy it for myself. So why are super affiliates so successful? So elite affiliate marketers never waste time just dipping their toes in the water, okay? They stay consistent over long periods of time. Elite level marketers don't simply promote products that produce, a one-off $20 commission. What they do is they associate themselves with high-paying affiliate programs. Now, these affiliate marketing programs offer huge commissions on their products, and these programs end up being the cornerstone of every successful affiliate marketer. Now, of course, it's not just the affiliate program itself that produces such high amounts of income for the affiliate. Successful affiliates have to share content that provides value and makes a difference in people's lives. They have to build a brand that communicates their message to their audience. Successful affiliates also understand the power of self-education. They're always learning, growing, and challenging themselves in some way. So in short, having a high ticket, high value affiliate program is essential to making money and having success as an affiliate. But equally as important is the content that you put out to your audience, the value that you give to them. So success with affiliate marketing is as much about your own psychology as it is having a high ticket offer and a marketing strategy and a great platform and all that other stuff. So as an affiliate, there are only two types of commissions that you should be searching for in any affiliate program. One is high ticket commissions and the other is recurring commissions. Now, high ticket products are typically sold on the back end of a sales funnel, and I'll tell you more about sales funnels later on, but they typically cost upwards of $1,000. Now, it really doesn't matter how good you are at marketing. If you're spending your time promoting $20 products with no future upsells, then you're really going to struggle to build a profitable online affiliate business. So let's say your goal is to earn $1 million in a year. Okay, that's a good goal. But in that case, you're going to have to sell 50,000 copies of a product that costs $20. Okay, 50,000. The flip side of that is, if you're promoting a product that costs $1,000, then you're only going to need to sell 1,000 copies to make $1 million. And if the product costs $4,000, then that number then goes down to 250 products to sell in order to make $1 million. Now that's pretty powerful stuff, and that's why high ticket commissions are what all the big super affiliates do. Now, recurring commissions are also extremely powerful. You can refer somebody once to a subscription service and earn monthly residual commissions for the lifetime of that customer's subscription. So for example, every month we pay for a funnel building software called ClickFunnels. Now these guys are probably the best in the business when it comes to creating high converting complex funnels. So ClickFunnels costs us $97 a month. But then we can sign up as an affiliate for ClickFunnels and then promote ClickFunnels to other affiliate marketers, and we can earn 40% lifetime commissions. So this means when we refer 100 people at $97 a month, we'll earn $3,880 every single month. Now I know this doesn't sound like a whole lot of money, but it does build up over time. So every month we'll earn $3,880 as long as our referrals stay signed up with ClickFunnels. Imagine this now, if we referred 20 people a month, we would be looking at a passive income stream within a year of $9,312 every month. And that's totally passive. Even if we did no work for a couple of months, we'd still have that recurring commission coming in. And that is the magic of recurring commissions. Now, once you've found an affiliate program that offers high ticket commissions and recurring commissions, you need to put it all together with a sales funnel. And next I want to show you and help you understand the power of sales funnels. So understanding how sales funnels work can mean the difference between earning $1,000 and earning $10,000 seriously. So a good affiliate program will give you their own sales funnels that you can use to promote the products and services to consumers. So these funnels usually offer low price or even free products at the top of the funnel, and then gradually introduce higher price, higher value products to the leads that come through the funnel. Sales funnels help build a relationship with your customers and offer just a small taste or sample of your product and service without huge upfront investment. So introducing your high-end product to your prospect when they don't know you is a recipe for disaster. You need to use your sales funnel to build a relationship with your prospects first. So the best affiliate programs offer lifetime customer commissions. So this just means that you'll continue to earn commissions every time one of your referrals purchases a product in the business that you referred them to. Now this is how the majority of high ticket commissions are made in affiliate marketing. So now you guys know why high ticket commissions and recurring commissions are the secret to becoming a super affiliate. But that's also not the only thing you need. Now you also need to be creating your own valuable content. You need to constantly educate and improve yourself, and you need to use sales funnels to convert your high ticket offers. Fortunately for you, we've got you covered with all of the above. We have one of the best high ticket affiliate programs in the business that's generated over $50,000 in the last 3 months for us. All of the information and the training that you'll need can be found in the link below in the description. Alright guys, so I really hope this video has helped clarify where and how to get started correctly in affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, drop it in the comments below. And please don't forget, if you like this content and you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.